Welcome back. Now in this lecture we are talking about function. In JavaScript, a function is like a coffee machine. Just like you press a button to get coffee anytime. With the same step, a function lets you reuse the same block of code to perform a task again and again without rewriting it. Here's how we write a function in JavaScript. We start with the function keyword, then name like greet. Inside the curly brace, we put the code we want to reuse. In this case, it just logs a message to the console. To run a function, we call it using its name followed by curly bracket. We can call greet as many times as we want, and every time it performs the same action. This keeps our code clean, organized, and efficient. Functions are super helpful in real projects. They save time, avoid repeating code, and make it easier to update things later. Whether you are validating a form or creating animation, functions are your best friend in JavaScript.